Some folks still treat rimfire rifles like they're nothing more than grown-up toys. But seasoned shooters know there's real performance to be found in the 22 long rifle category. Not all rifles chambered in 22 long rifle are cut from the same cloth. Some are priced like a decent used truck, and a few are absolutely worth that investment. So we thought it was about time to line them up and see which ones stand out. In this roundup, we're breaking down the top 6 rimfire rifles of the year 2025, ranging from budget-friendly plinking rigs to finely tuned precision shooters. Whether you're shopping for your first bolt gun to get started with some casual paper punching, or looking to upgrade to a lightweight carbon-barreled rig that shoots as good as it looks, this list has something for you. And no, this isn't just another ode to the classic Ruger 1022s. We're covering bolt action tack drivers that come in under $400, factory-threaded barrels, BX pattern mags, and barrels that shrug off heat like a champ. These are rifles that push the envelope of what a 22 long rifle is capable of. Whether you're clearing pests off your back 40, chasing small game through dense woods, or dialing in tight groups at a formal match, this lineup is the real deal. Let's jump into the top 10 rimfire rifles that deserve a permanent spot in your gun safe this year. Number 1. Ruger American Target. If you're moving up from basic backyard shooting and want something that can hang at the range, the Ruger American Target is where I recommend most shooters begin. Priced at roughly $510, it's a serious performer without breaking the bank. This bolt gun features a heavy, free-floating barrel secured in Ruger's power bedding system, which ensures rock-solid consistency shot after shot. Mine groups best with CCI, standard velocity, and from a stable rest at 50 yards, it'll stay under 1 minute of angle all day, with 5-shot clusters averaging about 0.9. The laminated stock is clearly designed with bench shooters in mind. Its flat bottom rides a rear bag with ease, and the bolt's 60-degree throw offers ample scope clearance without ever feeling sloppy. That squared rear stock toe locks in against a sandbag for repeatable precision over longer strings. The trigger? It's Ruger's Marksman adjustable model. I dialed mine down to a clean 3-pound break, and just that change tightened my vertical dispersion by nearly a 1/4 inch. Add in a BTEX-1 magazine that feeds smoothly and sits flush, and you've got a rifle that's ready for both steel plates and small game. If you want a rimfire that can do double duty on the weekend and still have room left in your budget for a decent optic, the Ruger American Target absolutely delivers. Number 2. Savage B22FV SR. Don't sleep on the Savage B22FV Senior. While it may come in at a wallet-friendly $380, this rifle punches far above its price point. Savage includes their excellent AccuTrigger system, which I've got tuned to break clean at 2 pounds with zero creep, easily match-grade performance in a budget rifle. This rifle features a 16 1/4 inch carbon steel bull barrel, pre-threaded at 1/2 by 28 right from the factory. That means it's suppressor ready without a trip to the gunsmith. During a 100-yard accuracy test with Remington Ely match, my best 3-shot group came in at just over 0.15 minute of angle, and the 5-group average hovered around 0.7. Handling is a strong point here. The short, thick barrel keeps the balance centered between your hands, making it nimble during offhand shots or while maneuvering in tight quarters. If you're working through dense brush or tracking raccoons under a red light, that compact footprint is a huge asset. While the stock is polymer, it's reinforced and won't flex under pressure even when running a bipod. The bolt cycles smoothly, the rotary magazines feed without a hiccup, and a factory-installed rail up top ensures your scope is perfectly positioned. For shooters on a budget who still demand precision, the B-22 FVSR is more than just good for the money, it's genuinely impressive. Number 3. Burggera BMR. When you're hiking steep trails or working varmint country, the last thing you want is a rifle that feels like an anchor. That's where the Burggera BMR comes in. Tipping the scales at just about 5 pounds, it's light on weight but heavy on performance. Thanks to a carbon-wrapped barrel that dissipates heat and dampens vibration, this bolt gun delivers far better accuracy than most rifles in its class. Expect to pay around $650, but what you get in return is a highly refined rimfire that borrows heavily from Burggera's centerfire pedigree. With SESK rifle match ammo, I was holding groups around 0.75 at 50 yards. Swapping to Lapua Center X dropped those numbers to roughly 0.555, a serious accomplishment for a field-weight rimfire. The action features twin locking lugs, a real extractor, and a camming bolt for a proper centerfire style lockup. The trigger is single stage and breaks at about 2.5 pounds, with no creep or over travel. The synthetic stock, while lightweight, resists flex under bench pressure and maintains point of impact stability during heat cycles. I ran 4 mags in quick succession during a 95-degree day, and the carbon barrel kept my zero shift under a 1/4 inch. A factory-installed 30-minute of angle scope rail lets you dial elevation for longer shots, think 200 yards and beyond. And because it takes AIC's pattern magazines, you're not tied to proprietary gear. The Burggera BMR is a lightweight, hard-hitting rimfire that's equally at home in the field or on the firing line. If you're after mobility without sacrificing accuracy, this one's a solid pick. Number 4. Tikka Tonex. If you've ever handled one of Tikka's centerfire rifles, you already understand the kind of engineering the Finnish company brings to the table. The Tikka Tonex is essentially a scaled-down version of the Trithrix, delivering that same high-end performance in a rimfire package. Priced at roughly $650, this bolt gun is fitted with a cold hammer forged 20-inch barrel that holds zero consistently even after long shot strings. Instead of a Picatinny rail, the Tonex receiver features an 11mm dovetail cut, allowing you to mount most European-style optics directly without adapters. In terms of performance, this rifle is a standout, with high-end rimfire loads like Lapua Midas Plus. Sub-minute groups under 0.6 inches at 50 yards are very doable. Even affordable rounds like CCI standard velocity stay tight often under 1 inch. The synthetic stock deserves attention too. Reinforced with structural webbing along the forend, it holds firm under bipod pressure and resists flexing, something you rarely see in this class. The trigger comes fully adjustable from 4 pounds down to a crisp 2-pound break, and the best part is you don't need to pull the action to make that adjustment. Maintenance is simple. A single captured screw releases the bolt, and the firing pin can be removed without needing punches or tools. Dual extractors grip and pull spent brass reliably, and the magazine release has a solid, no-fuss feel. If you're training for centerfire hunting or long-range work, the Tonex is the rimfire clone you've been looking for, durable, accurate, and refined beyond its price tag. Number 5. Lithgow Eleon 101. Coming out of New South Wales, Australia, the Lithgow Eleon 101 is built with hunters and rugged terrain in mind. It's a bolt-action rimfire that blends field-tough durability with precision shooting chops, and it does so without compromise. With a street price just north of $1,100, This rifle delivers premium features and serious reliability. The 21-inch barrel is hammer forged to military specs and fully Cerakoted, as is the action. That means it's built to shrug off rain, snow, and dirt without rusting up or binding. Suppressor-ready threading at 1/2 by 28 UNEF comes standard. With subsonic ammo like Norma's, I pulled consistent groups averaging 0.8 minutes of angle at 85 yards, even with some wind in the mix. The Eleon 101-101's trigger is a crisp, single stage that breaks at just under 3 pounds, perfect for cold weather shooting with gloves. The synthetic stock is molded with reinforced nylon walls, keeping it rigid no matter the conditions. Even the sling mounts are molded in, not bolted, adding strength where it counts. One clever design perk: the magazines follow the CZ 452 and 455 pattern, so replacements are both inexpensive and widely available. The bolt features a smooth 3-lug lockup that cycles cleanly without excessive effort. Whether you're pushing through heavy brush or shooting tight groups on a windy hillside, the Lithgow Eleon 101 is a no-nonsense performer that lives up to its price tag. Number 6. CZ 457 MTR. If precision rimfire is your game, then the CZ 457 Match Target Rifle, or MTR, should be at the top of your list. This variant of the proven CZ 457 platform is engineered for tight group shooting, competition, and absolute repeatability. Priced at about $875, the MTR gives you a match-grade chamber, a heavy 20.5-inch barrel, and one of the cleanest safeties in the business. With premium match ammo like Lapua Center X, I've seen 5-round groups measure just 0.35 minutes of angle at 50 yards. That's benchpress level performance. Even with inexpensive bulk rounds like Federal Automatch, it'll still keep shots under an inch. The MTR is also a looker. The walnut stock is squared off and checkered exactly where your hands need grip, and the design ensures clearance for large scope bells thanks to a thoughtfully engineered bolt throw. The safety lever is side-mounted instead of on the tang, giving you a more natural trigger pull. One of its best features is modularity. You can swap barrels easily with just 2 screws. That means caliber changes are quick, and you don't need a gunsmith to do it. The 11mm dovetail up top fits most Euro-style scope rings without adapters. Bottom line, the CZ 457 MTR is the serious shooter's rimfire rifle, deadly accurate, beautifully built, and ready for competition straight out of the box. And that wraps up 6 of the hardest-hitting, most refined rimfire rifles on the market today. Whether you're out hunting, dialing in for long-range plinking, or testing yourself on paper targets, these rifles deliver where it counts. Drop your favorite rimfire in the comments below. Tell us what you're running and how it shoots. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world firearm breakdowns, and stay tuned to Gun Fanatics, where performance meets passion. See you on the range.